Assalamu alaikum. Today is lesson number 33 of the Quranic Arabic Simplified course. Today I will cover a few more prepositions that are not as frequently used in the Quran. A few of you have been requesting PDF copies of the lessons, so inshallah I will do my best to post them in the description of the lesson starting from today's lesson. So let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So the first preposition we cover is mundu. It means since. So in order to understand this preposition, let's take a look at a few sentences. The first one is Ma ra'aytuhu munzu yawm as-sabt. It means I have not seen him since Saturday. So let's break it down. So ma is a particle of negation. Okay, it's giving the meaning of not. Okay, and then ra'aytu hu. Ra'aytu is the verb piece, and inshallah we will cover this more in upcoming lessons. It means I have seen, right? So this ma makes it I have not seen. Okay, so I have not seen what? I have not seen who? Him. Okay, mundu, since yawm as-sabti, it means Saturday. Okay, the next sentence here is Bilalun ghaibun munzu usbu'in. It means Bilal is absent since 1 week. So Bilal is the mubtada, the subject of the sentence, right? So, and then we look at now more about Bilal. What about Bilal? Bilal is absent, ghaibun, absent, mundu, since, usbu'in, 1 week. Okay, and because munzu is a preposition, it makes the word after it in the majroor case, which is why you can see the tanween kasra in the word usbu'in. Okay, so Bilalun ghaibun mundu usbu'in. So please practice these sentences at home so you get familiar with this preposition mundu. So these two sentences are given here for your practice. So can you please try and read out these sentences aloud? Then you can play the video to just go over it with me. So it's exactly the same as we have just done. Ma ra'aytu Muhammadan mundu shahrin. I did not see Muhammad since a month. Shahrin, right? So the munzu made it majroor. Shahrin means the month. Okay. The next one is Hamidun ghaibun mundu usbu'in. Right? Hamid is absent since 1 week. So the next preposition we cover is the kaf of similarity. So the word ka is a preposition, and please do not confuse this with the ka of the pronoun, attached pronoun that we have been studying, right? This ka is a preposition to mean like or to be similar to something. So let's take a sentence right here. Sa'ati ka sa'atika. My watch is like yours. Okay, so here sa'ati, the ya is ya mutakallam, right? It means my watch. Ka, right here is the ka of the preposition type, right? This is a preposition. My watch is like sa'atika, your watch. So this ka is the ka of the attached pronoun, right? So ka is fixed in shape because it is a pronoun, but in grammatical point of view, it is majroor, right? So this ka means like. Okay, so let's take a look at more examples here. Hadha al-baytu kal masjid. It means this house is like a mosque, right? Hadha al-baytu, this house, ka, the ka of similarity, right, is like what? Like a masjid right here. Okay. Okay, the next one is right here. هذه القهوة كالماء. This coffee, right here. هذه القهوة, this coffee, كالماء, like water. And here it is ma'i, right? Because it is majroor because of this preposition ka, which is preceding the noun. The preposition ka, to mean like, is not attached to pronouns like here. So you cannot say ana kahu. This is wrong. So if you want to say I am like him, you would add the word mithal in between. Okay, so let's take a look at how the word mithal is added right here. You would say ana ka mithlihi, to mean I am like him. Okay, so ana means I, ka is like, so we added the word mithal here. Ka mithlihi, pronoun. So I am like him, right? So here, hiya ka mithliha, it means she is like her, right? Mithliha, hiya ka mithliha. So now let's continue to take some examples of the kaf of similarity, the kaf of comparison. So the first sentence here is Muhammadun mujtahidun ka zamilihi. It means Muhammad is hardworking, mujtahidun, ka, like his colleague or his companion, ka zamilihi. Okay, so zamil is like a co-worker or a companion, and he is the pronoun. So ka zamilihi. Okay, so the ka made it zamili with a kasra, it's majroor. So Muhammad is hardworking like his co-worker or like his colleague. Next one is Khalidun kal asadi. Khalid is similar to a lion, right? Kal asadi. This is majroor because of the ka preceding it. Khalid is like similar to a lion. The next one is Sayyarati ka sayyaratika. It means my car is ka, like yours, right? Ka sayyarati. This is why it is majroor, because of the ka preposition that preceded it. So my car is like yours. So here we see the use of ka with a very commonly recited verse, right? So here the verse says فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ. It means so that he made them like eaten up straw or husk. So let's break it down. Fa means so. Ja'ala is a verb to mean he made. And then, so ja'ala, he made them, hum. Hum means them. So here comes our kaf. Ka'asfin, right? Okay, so you see the ka of the similarity has been added to asf. And then it's majroor. That's why it's ka'asfin, right? But it joins with the meme and it becomes ka'asfim. Ma'kul. Ma'kul means that which is eaten. Okay, so again, here you saw the use of the preposition ka of similarity in the Quran. So today we studied some particles of similarity like kaf, and we studied mithal. So some other words that are used for similarity, which are not as common, but they're also used, is kama and ka'anna. Okay, so all of these particles express similarity or likeness. So we studied mithal, which is like. It is a noun that occurs as the first term of an idafa. So it is idafa. And we said that the kaf is a preposition and it cannot be followed by a pronoun. We looked at that, right? It has to be followed by a noun. So we said that the particles ka'anna and kama are also particles of similarity, similar to the kaf of similarity that we looked at in this lesson. So here's a bit advanced knowledge that you can skip, but for those of you who are interested, ka'anna is used with a jumla ismiya and kama is used with jumla fi'liya. For example, is shown here, kama ta'lamun. Okay, this is a jumla fi'liya right here. This is a verb. Okay, and it is used with kama, which is like. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.